Hi, welcome back to Project Ozone. This is episode 21. Okay, between this episode and last episode, as promised, I did a few more of these. I actually had to make a bunch of invar to make them. You can see we're doing quite well on the item stuff. Ooh, Yellorium. Let's does that mean big reactors is in here? Yeah, it is. Oh, nice. Means we'll make a nice reactor. Oh, I can put through there. Okay, and you can see we've got quite a few of these so far. Yeah, there was one worn out bag which give a cake, but somebody ate it. That's going nicely. I should probably do another barrel for these things, but we'll worry about it when the time comes. It's no big rush right now. DU bullet. Okay. Let's see what let's see what quests we're about to do. Okay, Stirling generator and heat generator. Yeah, those are a bit crappy. Let's see. Stirling generator. Basic gear. Alright. Do that yet. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh. Right, to make that. Woohoo! It's like crap. Okay. It's gonna be the one, I think. Yeah, I found that very annoying. Bucket. Alright. So what do I need? I need stone bricks. Blood Moon Rising. Come on, one more. Right, type of sleeping. Yeah. Here we go. Come Come on, one more. Right. Oh. Does that make a basic gear? No. Oh, are you serious? That's what I made those gears for nothing. Oh well. I could probably use them at some other time. Okay. Now I need heat generator. Osmium. Do I have any osmium? Nope. I gotta go get some from down here. Don't think this goes in the smeltery. But we'll have a look. No, it doesn't. Okay, I'm sure there's the copper over here. Yep. Weird. Yeah, it's always good to have a second workbench you can work on. That way when your first one's busy, you can use the second. And why didn't you work? Copper, copper, osmium. Planks. Furnace, osmium, copper, copper. Osmium, furnace, copper, copper. Oh. Hey. So what more? Nope. Put the wrong thing. There we go. Ha. Go. My inventory too full again. Where is it? Okay, let's try for the Coca-Cola. Something tells me that might be pertinent later. Now what happened here is, I think Fraps decided it wanted to stop without telling me, and it stopped after the sequence, and what I did is I went down and I actually built this machine. I did actually talk you through it all, and I was quite happy with it. And then I said, okay, this is the end of this episode, because it took about 10 minutes to do all this, and I was coming to the 20-minute mark. So I was getting ready to end the episode. I said I was gonna go off camera and improve it and tidy it up a bit, ready for next time. Which is what you're seeing I'm doing now. See, I pressed my F10 button, which is my Fraps button that I've assigned, and because it already stopped without me knowing, I actually in fact started it instead of stopping it. So I then started doing this, and I think it was like another 20 minutes into this that I realised that I was in fact still recording, which was quite embarrassing, because I was actually listening to a YouTube video later on in it as well, which I've cut off this, and it's Cody's Lab if you're interested. Yeah, so what I've done here is I've set it so it originally pulled the bags out of the individual barrels and placed them in those chests ready to go. And I thought, you know, if I put the actual barrels of the bags in the machine, then it'll be a bit more efficient that way. Okay, those are auto crafting machines, or sorry, auto workbenches. You can see I set a pattern in them, and it gives an output, and there's a little buffer inside it as well at the bottom. And so yeah, it takes a few seconds to craft things, but basically the green bags go in, then the white bags come out, then the next one the white bags go in, and the other colour bags go in. I can't remember the colours orders, but that's how that works. And so basically now the machine does, instead of just placing them in a barrel, it takes these bags and puts them in the right buffer, and then that goes into the next auto crafter, and then it keeps adding up until it becomes a legendary bag, and then that just gets passed out into the legendary bag barrel, and which is, shall say, like a higher ranking prize, I would say, you know. And but what I am seeing is issues with bags that appear to have already been opened, and you can't combine bags that have already been opened. It doesn't let you. It's like cheating, because it actually changes the ID on them. Well, the ID, anyway, it changes something on them. So if you actually hover over them in your inventory, if you've already seen inside them, it says not knowing inside's more interested than knowing. And at this point here, I'm actually making the disposal system, which is a trash can or something, in this, whatever it's called. I'm putting filters on ready, because I want to filter out things I don't want. Yeah, I'm going to be doing the made a mistake there, and again. So I'm going to be doing a bow, and I'm ignoring metadata. That should throw them out regardless of how damaged they are. But we'll see, because I've had mixed results with that. And I think what next am I going to do? That sounds weird, speed it up. I think I'm just clearing the backlog out first. Yeah, old weapons and stuff really fills it up. And snowballs. Yeah, I'm putting that in any for the side that doesn't care about the MBT or whatever data. And then helmets. Helmets need to have the data thing ignored because they have different strengths. Same with the leather boots. I may upgrade and have multiple trash cans and more filters in the end. Yeah. At this point here I decided I should expand the platform a little bit. And yeah. So it's always nice to have a bigger platform. We're going to be continually expanding as we go along anyway. I was just checking out the machines, make sure it's all going nicely. And keep noticing these bags. Oh, is that upstairs? No. I thought I'd open some bags. See what I want. Throw them away and stuff. Yeah, quite a few goodies in there. Oh yeah, I'm making some more barrels right now. There's a few items I need barrels for. Or a few barrels I need Heismers for. No, it was right first time. Okay. Fill in that hole, don't need it anymore. Oh yeah. I need barrels for that because I got lots of that. That's the process I'm doing right now. Very laborious process. Now I'm doing zombie flesh. Now I'm saving the zombie flesh because you can compost it down into soil, and I do eventually want to build a grass area where animals will spawn. Lots of soil for that, and arrows as well. You never know when you need arrows. Plus a lot of these things have EMC values, which when I eventually get to Project E, they'll come in handy. Now I'm just clearing up some of the backlog. And just emptying the one, putting it in the other. Okay, now getting to the end of this now. So thanks for watching, sorry about all the messing around, and I'll see you next episode. Goodbye.